Hello everyone, welcome to the daily vocabulary video of Manzil. Let's begin. First is a phrasal verb which is take up. The meaning of take up is to adopt the study, practice or activity of. That means shuru karna. Next is staggered, which is an adjective. The meaning of this word is very shocked or surprised. Next is revitalized, which is a verb. The meaning of revitalized is to put new life or energy into something. Next is sinews, which is a noun, which means a part of a structure or system that provides support and holds it together. Next is lax, which is an adjective, which means without much care, attention or control, that is laparwaha. Next is unwavering, which is an adjective, which means strong and steady despite opposition or other problems. Next is elicited, which is a verb, which means to bring about a response or reaction. Next is kitty, which is a noun, which means an amount of money that has been collected by a person or organization for a particular purpose. Next is contraction, which is a noun, which means reduction, cut, decrease, weakening, reduction or sikudan. Next is scaled up, which is a phrasal verb, which means to increase the size, amount or importance of something. Next is cess, which is a noun, which means a tax, assessment or lion, that is kar. Next is pent up, which is an adjective, which means characterized by or showing the suppression of impulses or emotions, which means niyantrit kiya hua. Next is brewing, which is a verb, which means to devise or plan. Next is fabled, which is an adjective, which means famous and well known. Next is doomsday, which is a noun, which means a time or event of crisis or great danger. Next is in tandem, which is a phrase which means alongside each other. Next is somersault, which is a noun, which means a sudden change from one policy or opinion to another, very difficult one, that is ulatfer. Next is dissipated, which is a verb, which means to spend or use wastefully or extravagantly. Next is unrelenting, which is an adjective, which means without stopping or nirantar. Next is struck a chord, which is an idiom, which means to strongly impress someone. Next is on the mat, which is a phrase which means in a position to face a reprimand from someone. Next is banged on, which is a phrase which means base one's hopes or confidence on something, that is asha karna or bharosa rakhna. Next is foment, which is a verb which means instigate or stir up an undesirable or violent sentiment or course of action, that is bhadkana. Next is astounding, which is an adjective which means very surprising or shocking. Next is reek, which is a verb which means be suggestive of something unpleasant or undesirable. Next is patriarchy, which is a noun which means a society, system or organization in which men have all or most of the power and influence. Next is propounded, which is a verb which means to suggest a theory, belief or opinion for other people to consider, that is pratipadit. Next is detestable, which is an adjective which means deserving intense dislike, which in Hindi its meaning is tiraskarniya. Next is legitimizing, which is a verb which means to make something legal or acceptable, that is vaid karna. Next is slur, which is a noun which means a disparaging remark, that is upeksha karna. Next is ostensible, which is an adjective which means stated or appearing to be true but not necessarily so, that is tatha kathit. Next is jealous, which is an adjective which means extremely eager or enthusiastic, that is utsahi. Next is flaws, which is a noun which means an imperfection or blemish, that is truti. Next is go out on a limb, which is a phrase which means do or say something that is different from most other people. Next is frown upon, which is a phrasal verb which means to disapprove of something. So that's all for today. All the words and all the phrases are very important for exam point of view, and as well as you can use this words and phrases in your daily life. So stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you so much.